How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a absolutely gorgeous 67 GTX. This is a true GTX done in its factory yellow. It's had a complete restoration. All the chrome, the bumpers, everything on this car is absolutely gorgeous. All been redone. The grille is just perfect in this car. Super nice. I really like the black stripes and the black top. The hood scoops just look tough on these cars. It's got your Magnum wheels, red line radial tires. I'll tell you, the vinyl top is in excellent shape. Restoration on this car was done a couple years back. Super nice, very straight, slick down the sides. So I really dig the gas caps on these cars as well, the flip out. You can see the rear bumper, the tail panel, molding, applique, and the taillight bezels have all been redone. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Car's real slick, flat down the sides. It's got the dual mirrors, driver's side's remote. Been nicely updated with front disc brakes. They're power steering. Does have a 68 block. It's got the 67 head on it. It's got all the correct air cleaner, high flow aluminum water pump housing, aluminum radiator upgrade. Just nice car. Very nicely detailed under the hood. Got your fender blinkers. The jams and everything on the car are real nice. The interior is probably the nicest interior I've seen in one of these in a long time. Dash, steering wheel, everything. Got a factory AM, FM, all works. This the headliner. Everything is beautiful in the interior. Updated with some seat belts in the rear. Got your front retractors. It's got the buddy seat with the fold down armrest in the center. It's got your headrest seats, which is an option. Got the original brochure. We got a whole folder of all the paperwork on the restoration. Everything has been done. Motor, rear end, trans. Got your factory jack, spare and everything in the trunk. Tell you, it's just a super nice car. You can get in this car, cruise it, go to all your shows. Just very nice. I mean, all the dash bezels, the trim, the chrome is beautiful in this car. They did a nice trio of gauges there under the dash. Kind of a period correct look. Fire this thing up. Fires right up. Good sounding car. Nice cam, and it's got 727 automatic, 8 3/4 posi rear. Hey, just ground pound car, sounds tough. It's just a super nice car. Hard to find these Mopars this nice. Tell you, I bought 2 cars from this gentleman. Very nice collection of cars. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit our showroom at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day.